You guys, honestly, look what inflation can do. That's like 5 pencils for $1. Over $1 for 5 pencils? No, ma'am. I'm also gonna be honest here. None of these pencils look like they're worth what they're actually like costing. And if you're using a pencil, I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna be looking at your pencil like, that looked like an expensive looking pencil. I want that pencil. No, ma'am. I don't think anybody's gonna do that. So just stick to your regular pencils, because honestly, besides the color, what can these pencils do that normal ones can't? You guys saw that we just came back from Walmart, and I bought some stuff, and I want to show you guys. Coming in hot with number one. I think I'm gonna do. Don't mind my notebook back here. That's distracting me. But anyway, I'm thinking. Okay, I'm gonna do this first because it's like this costed me $20, but I needed a tripod anyway, and the one I'm using right now I bought on my sister's. And I needed a tripod, and I wanted a handheld one, so it's the one I got. It's $20, and it says only for iPhone, but I looked it up in the store, and this is not only for iPhone. It can be worked with Android. This is $20. It has the mic and the lighting and the tripod. This is going to be so convenient for me because often I have to edit and turn my volume up when I edit because I talk low, and when I've tried to talk like louder, it makes it sound really like different to me, and I don't like it. So we're gonna open this. I didn't bring scissors, and this is tape on it. We're gonna see how that goes because I have it also. Let me see. I don't know if this is gonna be one of those things that I like need to go get a pen for. I want to open it in like a normal way. Hold on. Prying tape off of it. Hold on. This is the vlogging kit for a smartphone with Bluetooth remote control, and it's by Focus On. Hopefully this is my phone, but I bought more stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this so that I can switch over what tripod I'm using because I wanted a handheld one anyways. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. We have instruction. Oh, this is, whoa. I don't too much like when it's on instructions. I mean, I have to do a lot. Okay, so first let's make sure I have everything. Oh, it's an LED light. It's not even your regular light. It's LED. Okay. We're opening. You guys! Right off the bat, this is amazing. It came with batteries included. That's what I like. I hate buying stuff and it doesn't got the batteries. Okay, first we're gonna do a little, make sure I have everything. Tripod, check. Phone clip, check. LED light, check. Do I need a screwdriver for this? I don't think I do. Microphone with the 3.5 cable. Snap. Yes, I guess, yeah. It has two cords, one for iPhone, one for Apple. You can see the difference. Android, Apple. I don't have an Apple phone, but if I do, I know it'll work. Bluetooth remote, shutter with the button battery. Which one's the button battery? Y'all, I don't know which one the button battery. I think this is for the light, and I think this is the button battery. Wait, where'd I put the light at? Y'all, I done lost the light. Wait, no. I'm on the button battery. Button battery and the remote. And then the cable connector. This is too much for me. Cable connector. Y'all, I'm making a mess and I'm confusing myself. I think this is the cable connector. Cable lightning connector. There's another connector. I think this. We are going to go to the next step. First step. It says to open this. How do I do that? I don't know. How did they do that? Rotate the legs to open the tripod. Hold on, let me make sure I'm actually holding the tripod. No, this is the tripod. It said to rotate the legs. I don't want to break it. I don't know what that means. It's not really too specific on. Oh. I get it now. What are we talking about? Rotate though. What do you mean I don't know what that means. I think this is what it meant by rotate. Okay. The legs have been rotated. Now I am to try and unconfuse myself. Hold on, you guys, I've confused myself. No, I don't think what? Oh. Y'all are learning this as I learn this, okay? I'm confused. If you laugh at me, we got problems. Okay, now it says to connect the phone piece. Phone piece is being connected. Okay. Guys, phone piece is connected. Next, we're going to step... Wait, how did we jump to 8? Oh, whoa. What? Add batteries into the LED light and microphone. I'm not that handy, y'all. I don't do this. Okay. So, 3.1, 1.5, where are we? What? I'm confused, y'all. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm really confused, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not an expert at this. Open. Okay, we're gonna open this. I'm gonna hold this right there. Okay. It says add 2 AA batteries into LED light, 1 AA. Okay. How do I know what type this is? I don't do this on a daily. I really don't. If it's anything that requires batteries, I have my dad do it. But I'm trying to be independent. It's going great so far, y'all. Okay, I've done stuff like this before. Don't get me wrong. I love building stuff, but electrician's just not where I be at. Okay. I think I just did this. Now it's time to do this one. AAA. This has to be the AAA because it's so small and the other ones fit in the other one perfectly. So I'm thinking this is the AAA one. Okay. So far so good, you guys. I haven't messed this up yet. Why do you not want to go in? Is this one of those things where you have to slide it in there perfectly? I'm really confused. No. So I am extremely confused. It's like a snapping thing. It's not in there right. Hold on. Okay. Y'all, I'm extremely confused. Hold on. I am handyman. I promise you guys. And this probably isn't as like hard as it seems on my end. I'm just really not. Oh. So I was supposed to slide. Okay. Okay. Put the LED light into notch at the top of the phone clip. Tighten screw clockwise. Oh, drop instruction. Now put the batteries in there. Okay. Now, okay. Where's the LED light? Okay. It said tighten it, so I'm tightening it, tightening it, you guys. It does not want to tighten, you guys. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, okay, I see what I'm supposed to do, you guys. Okay, so it's all about the little spinny thing right here, right? I put it in there, right? And then I take that piece and I spin it clockwise till it's down on there. And then wait, no. I don't think it's too much about the spinny thing, you guys. I'm very confused. Put the LED light into notch at the top of the phone clip. Tighten. You guys, this thing does not want to tighten. Wait, hold on. Am I putting this in on the wrong side or something? Y'all, I was putting it in there wrong. As y'all can see, I am not Miss Handy Woman at all. Nothing about me is Handy Woman right now. Okay, put base of microphone into notch at the top of the LED light. Tighten screw clockwise. You guys, I know how to do this now. Never fear, I know how to do this now. Okay. So if I want it to face me this way, I put it in there that way, and then I tighten this here. Yo, it's getting tall. This better be worth my 20 bucks though. Okay. Oops. I keep dropping the instructions, but this is what it looks like right now. This looks so professional. Okay. Now, okay. Put the mic on. Now, secure your phone with phone clip and connect your correct adapter according to your phone. Okay. Hold on. We're gonna test the lighting first. There's an on button in the back. Why is it not turning on? I'm so daggone confused. I'll put these batteries in here right? I'll put them in there right? Please don't tell me they gave me batteries that don't work. Yeah. They're in there right, okay. Because y'all ever find something that actually gives you like the batteries that you need and then the battery don't work. Okay, hold on. Secure. Oh no, I'm going to... Ooh, should I transfer? Hold on, I'm gonna transfer. Oh, so it started recording by itself. How smart. But, y'all give me 1 second because I have to connect this to my Bluetooth. Okay, you guys, so hopefully you guys can hear me with the mic connected. It's a whole weird setup I have here, but hopefully you guys can hear me. And for some reason, the light doesn't work. I don't know if I'm missing in the instructions or if I'm just confused. But, yeah, I can also take photos. See, watch this. Was this supposed to have batteries? Because it's not flash. I don't know. Wait, hold on. Oh. I had it off. See, watch. There we go. Okay, you guys, so, real quick, for a little, like, I guess, like, disclaimer, the the lighting did work. It worked. It was just me. I didn't realize I needed to press down on, like, the button. I didn't know I had to hold it down. So, I held it down, and it didn't work, and then, like, a few minutes later, I held it down again, and it worked. So, in my New Year's resolution, you'll see that the lighting actually did work, and, that I had to turn it off because it was a little too bright. So I know next time to have the camera a little bit farther from me so that it's not that bright. But yeah, the camera did work and the tripod's absolutely amazing. I will say if you want a taller tripod, that may not be the one for you or you'll have to stand it up on something. But for it to be handheld and have a mic and lighting, I'm not mad about it at all. Beats me. And I know I didn't put the wrong batteries. Hey, yo, I didn't do that. Yeah, I didn't. I didn't do that. Okay. Next up, I bought one. Hold on 1 second. Okay, you guys, so the light won't turn on, but I don't know if the mic works. Because we have batteries in it, but it's not working. But we have batteries here that are double A. But anyway, I also bought two other things. I bought this big thing of mini pancakes, 60 seconds to delicious. I wanted these and I got them. They're mini pancakes. They're chocolate chip, and they're real chocolate chips. And they're a good source of 6 vitamins plus iron. Whoa, I need iron. It has 20% iron in it. Now I have a reason to get more. And then I got food for tonight. And then I got like a frozen meal thingy. It's mashed potatoes and meatloaf, I think. Or I think I got the chicken one. I don't know. But then I got that. And we're gonna replace the batteries in this thingy later. Because I don't feel like doing it now. But that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!